coming with sigils, moon cracked in half. Which says steady, I says hunt. I was born in the blackout between thoughts, where mercy dies and instinct talks. Every shadow tastes like blood and steel, every heartbeat sounds like a kill. Void and chaos, it's clarity raw. No rules, no fear, no moral law. I see solutions in broken necks, clean cuts where the world says next. Which got changed, made a light and flame, and I'm insane. They say easy fixes rot the soul, I say rot's the truth when you lose control. I say the goal, right fucking there. One step, one bite, no fucking prayer. But they pull the leash, say not like this, say not like that. Say just hold back. The void is dangerous, yeah I know, but danger's the only language I speak in code. I see the answer so close, so clean, so fast. One violent mercy and the pain won't last. They call it raw, I call it blood. No threat can break us, not alive, not dead. We exist already in a broken head. I stalk the cracks in the hallway light, where fear crawls out and begs at night. Every demon feels when I breathe too slow. They smell what I am, a kill switch soul. I don't rage, I calculate. I don't scream, I annihilate. Silence is a blade in my throat, and mercy's just another gun. Driver shakes when the engine stutters, which whisper spells into neon spite. They want peace, they want rest. I want the thing that kills the bite. I don't want blood, I want quiet. I want the scream to finally die out. I want the noise inside the skull to choke itself on something dull. But they say we'll stand down. I bare my teeth and swallow. The void is dangerous, yeah I know, but danger's the only place I feel control. I see solutions fast, surgical plague. They see monsters, I see vaccine. They want healing, I want done. No breath to break us, not alive, not dead. We exist already in a broken head. You think I'm violence, I think I'm mercy. You think I'm feral, I think I'm evolved. You patch wounds, I cauterize souls. You hold the wheel, I hunt the beast chasing. I smell the future bleeding through. I smell survival carved in you. Let me loose just once, just now. Let me finish what you won't allow. Deep in the dark, eyes in the void. Every fear screams, every gun's destroyed. I don't want chaos, I want it over. I want the nightmare flatline sober. Legs burning hot, angels and men's dead. Which says control, I say win. The void is dangerous, yeah I know, but danger's the only place I grow. I see the end so close, so near. One clean strike and the world goes clear. They call it evil, I call it mine. No threat to break us, not torn, not dead. We exist already in a broken head. So I'll stalk the shadows, silent least restrain, dealing with these charades. But a day will come, which where I'll be your only hope, only choice. Then you'll see. It's not quite like that, we exist already in a broken head. So I'll stalk the shadows, silent least restrain, protecting hope with teeth in pain. When they fall, I'll still be near, Because monsters guard what angels fear.